nice and cozy in the car. It's not too cold, so that's a good thing. So she's feeling better today. Today's gonna be a day in the life. I think I'm gonna go up to the mountains. I need to get up and let her out and go to the bathroom. You're so cute. Are you feeling better? Yeah, you're so cute. Aspen, let's go outside. There you go. Oh.
Can I help you today?
I'll just get the loaded breakfast sandwich.
Okay. Is that all for you?
That's it.
Thank you. Second window 539. Hi, Sunshine.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunshine. Do you want a drink? Can I buy you a drink?
Oh, no thanks. I have
Okay.
one.
Have a good day.
You too. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. Yeah. Let's hit the road. You want to hit the road? You go up to the mountains. See the snow. So, I'm stuck. I was being nice enough to let people pass me because I was going slow, and yeah, I got stuck. So, like, too bad. I mean, it's just, I'm at an incline, so my tires are gonna slip. Right now, I've dug this little part out, but I probably need to do one up here so then I can get traction, because if I go back any, my tire's gonna be stuck right there. So, yeah, wish me luck. Or I could go back as much as I can, and then maybe, like, I know it's dangerous because if cars are coming, but yay, we got out. People pulled over and helped me. That was, let's just not pull over for people anymore, because I can make it up the road. I just have to go slow, but yeah. I'll see you when I park. We made it to Echo Lake, and now I am just putting 2 layers of socks and then these fuzzy socks and then my snow boots on. And then I will need to probably pack some stuff in my backpack, just some water, and then I'll have like hand warmers and feet warmers, and then I don't know what else I should bring, because like you never know what can happen. I've never actually hiked around here, and it is starting to snow. I'll probably bring all my pairs of gloves. Let me see. So I have my winter gloves that I will bring. And then I have these that I will just bring too. I could bring my first aid. I honestly don't really have much. My other first aid kit is in the... I'll just bring this. I mean, it's better than nothing. I feel like I should bring the other one though, just in case, because you never know. Just bring that. Okay, I will see you guys when I'm all ready. Aspen is ready to go. Okay, so we are back in my car. It's actually not too cold in the car, so that's good. But we headed back early because look how busy it is. There are just way too many people here, and I am such an introvert that like I don't like when there's a lot of people. Plus on the trail, it's like narrow, and having her pulling and trying to film and just walk going up and down, not gonna really work. So I think I'm just gonna head back down. I know my mom got a hotel in Fairplay. We're gonna stay the night in Fairplay, so then tomorrow we're gonna go to the ice sculptures. Either that or tonight, but either way, I have a hotel room to sleep in tonight. Yay! Anyway, yeah. And this is definitely not at all what I do on an everyday basis whatsoever, because during the day, I'm down in Denver, I'm working, and then I let her out and stuff. But I just thought it would be fun to show you what I do on like a day off. What a great day. I have a flat now. Wow. I need to call roadside assistance real quick and then give you an update. Got a flat tire. Luckily I'm off to like a little side road, but it's gonna be a while before I get some help because I can't do it myself. I'm gonna try. That doesn't even feel like it's on there. Yeah, I can't. Okay, so paying for a tow company to come out just to change the tire. So, yay, that's gonna be about an hour from now. Until then, I guess I'll just let Aspen out. That's all there really is to do. So, fun. We get stuck, and then we get a flat tire. This is definitely not normal at all. This definitely shows you how much of a just day in the life it is. I hope you guys are having a better day. Sorry about the sun and shade. It's not the best lighting. It's like golden hour now, or almost, but there we go. There we go. My mom is coming to pick me up. I'm parked in a church. It's Saturday today, so I can't really actually get my tire, like a new tire, until Monday. But my mom and she's coming to get me. We're gonna go to Fairplay, and then tomorrow head to Breckenridge to look at the ice sculptures, and then basically come back here and then drive very slow down to Denver somewhere to park for the night, tomorrow night. So then Monday, first thing in the morning, I can go get my tire changed. Luckily, I have tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday off. So, yeah. Crazy, interesting day. Never had being stuck in the snow and a flat tire in one day. So, luckily, someone pulled over to help me. So that way I didn't have to put anything on the credit card. $132 for someone to just come change the tire. I'm glad someone just pulled over and helped me. I'm so grateful for that, because I'm not strong enough to do it myself, or else I would have done it myself. Anyway, my mom should be here any second, any minute. I don't know, but that damn pothole, they need to fix it so no one else gets a flat.
The Dribblers getting hands-on practice with their Chase First Banking debit card. The Drummers making saving simple.